Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bukumi. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, I talk about everything passive income, different ways to make money online, and all that good stuff. So if you're looking for that side business, if you're looking for that, business opportunity that you can start from anywhere from home, having time and financial freedom that you deserve, then you're in the right place. Please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the bell notification just beside it so you know when I drop another video. And if you eventually find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm. So in this video, I want to talk to you about how to start a print-on-demand business, especially the supplement print-on-demand and the jewelry print-on-demand. In my last video, I walked you through how to start the merch print-on-demand business. That's the mug, the shirt, the wall art, and all of that. So I walked you through what platform to use. I walked you through how to get started, how to create your design, how to place your design, how to add it to cart, and how to create your first order. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it up in the card. Make sure you go watch that video first, then come back and watch this one. But in this video, I want to walk you through how to start a supplement and a jewelry print-on-demand business. I'm going to be showing you what platform to use and how to get started. So you want to stay with me to the end of this video because there's a lot of value packed in this video. And remember guys, if you're looking for my #1 recommended way to make money online, then you need to check the first link in my description. It is there. That is one very good way that you can start earning income online. You can build a team, you can join a team that already exists, and you can build great downlines, and you can have spillovers, you can have people do the work for you and you make the money, all that good stuff, and you can have that income coming in every day and every now and then that link in my description, the first one, is where you should be. So I'll go to my computer right now and share my screen with you so you can see what platform you can use and all that it entails and how to get started.
So here we go, guys. This is Supplifo. So Supplifo is one of the print-on-demand supplement providers that you can partner with to create your print-on-demand supplement. So when people order, Supplifo will be the one to package your product, package your product and send it out to your customers. So this is a very good website that you can get started with. Let's just quickly take a quick look at the website and see what it's like. Own and grow your own brand. So you get to brand your own supplement. You create a brand around it and make it yours. So it comes like this, nothing. You just slap your own brand, your own logo on here, and you're good to go. So this is how you make money. So you can calculate this. Someone buys from you for £30 minus your production fee. So your production fee is £12 in this sorry, $30. I'm in the UK, guys. Sorry, $30 and minus your production fee, which is $12, and your profit is $18. So if you how many followers you have this, then you can averagely say you'll be making about $10,000 per month. That is their own estimate. So of course nothing is set in stone, nothing is there's no proof of income. It's just what you do, what you put in is what you get out of it. So that is the summary of the business. So these are products that you can make your own, and basically that's how simple it is. So let's see how it works. Let's go to how it works here and run through it quickly. There's a video on this page, make sure you watch that first. So in 4 easy steps, you'll be able to launch your own product line. What you need to do first is choose a product. There are over 100 plus products. Then customize the look, create your own label. So you can go to Canva to create your own label, or pay someone on Fiverr or Upwork to create a supplement label for you, and come in here, add your price, whatever price you want to sell, then that's it, start selling. This Supplifo has a Shopify app, so if you have a Shopify store, you can actually integrate Supplifo with your Shopify store and have your orders synced, so that when you get an order on your Shopify store, it automatically fulfills inside Supplifo. So here are different brands. You can see the designs and all of that. So basically that is it. It's really a good business for anyone looking to start something like this. So I have an account here, and I mean, I don't just like to talk, I like to show you. So I actually created an account, and I mean, I've actually checked out these products myself to see how they really work. So I'm just here walking you through and telling you how it works. So say you wanted to brand this product, for example. So you can look through the website and see the products they have. So you can see um there's no logo here, there's no personalization. Supplifu is not putting anything of theirs on here. This is just for you to know that this is where you put your own design. So create your design and customize it and sell. So this is the description of the product. You can see the manufacturing company is from the USA, but I know that this supplement ship worldwide, so this should be able to work if you're in any part of the world. I'm not sure about this. Just check out this website, do your own due diligence, and check if it works in your country. That's if you are allowed to sell um this kind of supplements or whatever this in your country. So um just check it out. There are things you have to put in place to be able to do this in the UK, so you just check what applies for your own country. Average lead time worldwide is 5 days. These are the shipping methods, and it has tracking. You want to check out your supplier. This is the company that is producing this supplement, and they're the one that's going to be private labeling it for you. So yeah, so just check it out. There are a lot of products here that might interest you. If you want to do something, if you want to pick a niche, if you want to do something in the weight loss niche, or beauty niche, or fitness niche, just come in here and just look around and see products that fall under that niche. For example, this is a complete meal replacement in the weight loss niche, so you can decide to brand this yourself and just make this your own and create a store around it. Then Supplifu will take the order and fulfill it for you, sending it directly to your customers. So that is how it works. Another website that I found is on demand fulfillment. I haven't tested out this one. I haven't checked. I don't even know what their supplements looks like, but I just found it recently when I was doing more research, and it looks very appealing, and it looks like they have um more categories and niches of products. So there is weight loss, there's skincare, there's nutrition, there's sport nutrition, pet supplements, herbal supplements, and all that great stuff. So you might want to create your store picking a niche. I mean, it may be easier like that. So you can decide to pick a niche, and once people know that you sell weight loss product or fitness product, then you know they would always want to come back to you. So it might be good to pick a niche and just create products and look for products that are in those niche and sell. These are different products in the weight loss niche, so you might want to look at this and see which of them really appeals to you and see how to create them. So and the process of creating them is basically the same with Supplifu. You just upload your stuff and that's it. So let's see how this works. Get started building your own brand. So choose your products, design your supplement label, connect your platform, focus on your business. Basically the same thing with Supplifu. So this is a very easy business to start if you are interested in something like this. Moving on, guys, I want to move on to the print on demand jewelry. I talked about this in my last video, and I just want to walk you through it right now. So this is Shine On. Shine On is a print on demand jewelry provider that you can partner with. So these are the different jewelries they have. They have necklaces, they have wristwatch, they have tags, they have bracelets, and all of that. So what you just need to do is create a message card and upload it here, and Shine On will print your message card with the product and send it directly to your customer. So that is basically how print on demand work. You don't hold any inventory, you don't hold anything, you don't buy anything up front. You just, as your customer pays you, you pay the manufacturing company, and they ship it out to your customers. So for example, this product's base cost is £12, and the average sale price is £42. So your profit before ads is £30. So that's before you run ads, Facebook ad, or whatever ads you run, your profit is going to be £30, which is amazing. So imagine if you sell 10 of this a day, that is huge. And Shinon has integration with different stores and marketplaces, Shopify, Etsy. You can you can integrate with Shinon, so that's a very good advantage. So let me log into my account and just show you briefly what's behind the curtain. So if you come into Shinon, this is the Shinon back office, and if I wanted to, let me show you, there are different products here that you can create. So if I click on create new product, it will open up more products for me to create. So you can start to create watches, customized message card, jewelry, more jewelry, and solid gold jewelry. So Father's Day is around the corner. So say I wanted to create something for a husband. Let's see. Okay, let's pick this jewelry. And yes, so this is what it looks like. So all you need to do is just drop your design here, and it would be in at the back of this jewelry. So you can go to Canva. I'm just going to run through this. I'm not going to walk you through how to do it. If you want me to walk you through step by step how to create designs in Canva and upload it to Shinon, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If I get up to 200 thumbs up, that is likes, I'm gonna create that video for you. But I'll just run through this. The custom size you need to create is 1000 by 1000. So if you create a new design, you'd get a frame like this. You get a frame like this. This is the size you get. But for the purpose of this video, I already created one, and I'll just show you that what I created. So I have this created in Canva. So I have this created in Canva, and I have it downloaded already. So I'll just come in. So I'll just come into Shinon and try to drag this design here. That's the design I created. So this is it. To my dear husband, nothing beats the love I have for you, and all that nice stuff. So if I go to continue to product asset, you would see it would have created my product for me. So it's a beautiful business to really have, and it's simple to get started. So you can integrate with Etsy, you can integrate with Shopify, and just have your orders synced so that when you have an order, it automatically fulfills it. So this is what it looks like, guys. You have it in different variants. You have the gold, you have the silver, and all of that great stuff. So give it a title, whatever, personalized men's gifts, whatever you want to call it. The description of the product is already here. Just make it nice and okay. And you have the variants here, so you can see the base cost. The base cost of this item now is 1440. You can sell it for this price. So that's it. It's good margin. So I have my own Shinon store connected to Etsy. If you have it connected, you can offer free delivery because your delivery cost is already in here. So basically that's how it works. So you can just send this off to Etsy, and once you're done, if I create draft listing, it will create a draft listing and send it to my Etsy store. Then I'll go into my Etsy store and adjust it and just put in my Etsy details and all of that and make it ready for Etsy, and then publish it on Etsy. Then it goes live there. So that's how to do that. And you can, like I said, if you don't have an Etsy store or you can't use Etsy in your country, you can decide to have a store on Shinon. Shinon gives you the ability to create an online store inside Shinon. Then they give you a link to put on your website or on your social media platforms, so that when people see and buy, then it comes directly into Shinon. Shinon would take the payments and fulfill that order for you, then would give you would remit your balance in here. That's the difference that you added. Then so they'll just take the base cost and the delivery fee, and in your back office you'll be able to access the remaining balance, which is your profits in Shine On, which is amazing. So if you don't want to connect to Etsy, you don't want to connect to Shopify, you don't even have a website, you don't want to do any of those things, you can create it in Shine On. Shine On would fulfill your product and all of that for you. So basically that is how it is. So if you want me to go into details walking you through how to create the Shine On print on demand business and connecting it to Etsy, or creating the Shine On in-house store, then please give this video a thumbs up and make sure it gets to 200, guys. Make sure the thumbs up gets to 200. If it does hit 200, then I'm going to create a video walking you through how to really focus on Shine On jewelry and creating different jewelry and integrating with your Etsy store, or creating a Shine On store, and what the process entails. So I hope you found great value in this video, guys, and I hope you learned something. So we talked about how to create the print on demand supplement and how to create a print on demand jewelry business. So these are businesses that are amazing and are making a lot of people a lot of money. So if these are businesses that appeals to you and you have the time and you just want to do this, then this is for you, and this is how it's done. So thank you again, guys, for staying with me till the end of this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to drop me a comment below this video. If you have any concern or any questions for me, just drop it below. And please share this video with anyone you think might need it. And please turn on the bell notification so you know when next I drop another video. And like I said, if you're looking for the fastest way to make money online, if you're looking to be a part of a team, a successful team that is building success, building wealth, building that life of abundance, then you want to check that first link in my description. It's a link to a business opportunity that I'm a part of, and we are crushing it big time. You want to check that first link in my description and you want to join that business opportunity if that's what you're looking for. Thank you again, guys, for staying with me till the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.